has been so many positive changes for the young people that have been coming to our group. Sometimes they won't notice it themselves because to them it's subtle, but for us it's even little small things like being able to gain each other's attention when they're given instructions, being able to adapt communication to suit the other people in the group is a big change, something they wouldn't do before necessarily. They would often sit and kind of wait for us to prompt them, but that's just becoming much more natural.
Yeah, that's just one of them.
We find that it's the kind of encouraged leadership. It builds attention span. It's really encouraged our young people's dexterity. You can be storytelling, you can be presenting. It's all the different skills that you want to use and you'd want to teach young people how to do, but you're doing it kind of in a setting that they're comfortable with.
So you're going to put that one 2 holes above that one?
Skip 2 holes.
Yeah.
So it's this one
when you
then.
put it in, it's going to look like it's 1 hole above it.
Right.